Well, and I'm fantastic. What about you?
I'm also fine. I feel it's a very, very nice evening, afternoon, whatever we say it. But it's going to be very fun to have a conversation with you.
Okay, that's grateful opportunity for me. So you accepted my request. My voice is repeating in my headphone. I don't know why.
Okay. You
Am I
can
audible?
take time. You can.
Hello? Yeah,
Here
now
it
it
is
is.
fine. I mean,
I don't know before that it's not echoing. Actually, my voice is echoing. Yeah, it's okay. Let's get started. Let's get it started. Okay, so ma'am, good morning and good afternoon because we are first time in my channel, so we will introduce first because we get to know each other because we are meeting very first time. That is why. Okay, so first introduce yourself. So that is why I also get to know
okay.
and Abir also get to know about you.
Sure. So, Miss Priti, I would like to give my short introduction over here because I think in many other videos I would have
Yes.
already introduced myself. But still, for your audience, hi guys, I'm Afroja Bagar. I'm basically from Gujarat and I'm an English language trainer. Apart from that, like this kind of conversation is something I really do it, I passionately do it, and I anyhow do it by taking my time. So that's a very short introduction about me.
Okay, thank you so much for knowing about your introduction. So, ma'am, now I introduce myself. My name is Preeti, as you know that, and I was working before. Recently, I started my YouTube channel that is about to the English conversational video. So, actually, I was learning this language simultaneously. I started my YouTube channel. So, in that, like nowadays, I just connected with the content creator. That way, I also growing my channel, can say, and I also upskilling myself that way. And nowadays I'm also taking the classes of English speaking. So that is a short introduction from my side. Yes.
That's very great to know about you.
Yeah. So we have some topics also. So we will deep dive on the topic if you like to conversation with that. Am I audible?
Sure. Yes, you are clearly audible.
Okay, okay. So today's topic is that just a minute, I also forget the topic.
Let me, if you don't mind, let me introduce.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So actually, what happened? It started in today's morning. I was just watching a video and a video reel on the Instagram, and there a lady was saying that how during the COVID period, how they used to have a business of 100 crores and everything. So from that, we actually got this inspiration. So Miss Preeti, I told you that we would be discussing
Yeah.
about like how we can prepare for unexpected happenings in our life
Yes.
because those events are very unexpected. We have never expected of those events. So how we can think that? And first of all, we can also think about like, do you think people generally think about this? I don't think people generally
Yeah.
do, but it's very important and we should more discuss about it. Yeah.
Right. I also discuss about that because incident happen with anyone and anything will be happen in future also. We don't know we are sitting here and what thing is happen suddenly and what thing is happen unfortunately. So we have to be prepared for that. For preparing for that, we should know how to be prepared. Because time and incident we don't know what is the time next. So for first we have to be not panic and we have to be stay calm on that in that kind of situation. And second thing, we have to be prepared for that, any kind of incident happen, so we have the good decision power also, because how to stay calm and how to take a good decision that kind of situation. And we have to
Right.
be financial situation also, we have to maintain that, we have to don't expense more and more in other kind of debt. And you do one thing, like you have 3 to 4 months you have a money, so you can keep the cash also into your pocket, so that way like you can manage 3 to 4 months if any incident happen with you and anyone else. And one more thing, like health, we can say about the health or like our body. So we have to maintain the exercise, and we have to be keep calm. And for keep calm, you do the exercise and yoga, meditation. That way, you can also make the calm to you. That way, and one more thing, if you are any incident happening, so we know the basic things. Basic things, it means like how to do the first aid, because if you don't know the first aid, so it's not like that time of situation, like we all knows, like when corona came, that time nobody is going here and there. So if you know the basic first aid, so you can easily cover up the thing, whatever the situation is going on. Like if you got hurt or something else, so if you are not going anywhere, so that time how will you procure yourself? For procuring yourself, you have to know that how to procure, how to do the first aid. And second thing, like if you any kind of situation is happening, so you know the basic thing, like how to ride the car and how to go here and there. And you can good relationship also with your family, friends, because that way you can calm your, you can console your mind. Because when we are talking to each other, so we can get the moral support by our family, by our friend. So that way you can also find the ways, and you can get the right decision what we have to do. And you have some skills also, but when we have some skills, so that way we can also do the online things. And if you don't know the any skills, so how will you survive? Because in corona time, everyone knows that how they are surviving their life within like in 3 months, they are all country has closed. Like nobody is moving here and there, nobody can't connect to each other. By the phone only you can do anything, right? So that time, if you have a good skill, so you can promote all the thing by the online, and you can do anything, and you get the money also. There I have seen actually one example of that. Actually in my corona time, I got a baby, so that is why I'm not able to do any kind of things. But if I got any kind of situation in that, in when I don't have any kind of work, so if I know any skills, so definitely I can get anything by the online. Because that time every company, they are giving the work from home, like you are working somewhere, so they are giving something else to do the online. Many platforms, they are, every work is going to the online that times, that situation. But now situation like changes, because we know that we can easily move here and there, so they are not giving that kind of opportunity. But in earlier time, when corona came, any kind of incident happened, so we have to be prepared. Because this is the part of life time, everything will be changed, we don't know. Like we have to accept capacity, we have to be accepted, adopted any kind of situation. That way you can overcome that kind of situation. Because when we are not adapting any situation, so how will you overcome? Because this is the change, is the part of life. If you accept that, then you can survive. If you are not accepting, if it means you are not surviving in the situation. That is from my side, ma'am. So what would you think?
I almost agree to all the points that you have mentioned. Okay, but I will also re-say it in a different way, or I would add a little bit more into it. Like we have many kinds of incidents. If we talk about the incident like corona kind of is something really new or unexpected for whole countries, right? So this is where the whole country survived. This is where the whole country has to prepare themselves. But if we talk about at domestic level, at the level of families, so in our families we also get many kind of unexpected events and incidents. So for that, how we can prepare ourselves? So as you already mentioned, we should have a financial backup, right?
Yes.
And financial backup is must. It is something that gives you a little bit of relaxation. And apart from that, you mentioned that I like to call it as an emotional resilience, because since we have not thought of it, it means we are not familiar in our mind, our mentality enough about those incidents, and that creates a panic situation in our mind. So I think um, let's say whenever this comes, so first of all you have to think that okay, this is not something just happening with me, but
Yes.
this is something everyone or many of the people would have gone through. So that time we get relaxed. And I think this is one of the way, and another way is to search about it. The more familiar we are about the experiences of others, if we are not into that situation, we can get experiences from the others situations as well, right? We can get to know, we
Right.
can get awareness about it. So I think awareness is the key. If we are aware about those incidents, so we can easily, if not the same way, we can also try to find the solution in a different way.
Right.
So case studies we should keep on watching, and I think these days we have a lot of access to whatever kind of information we want. We can go through it from the media. So this is the thing, we should be aware about it. We should be financially back up the thing. And the most important thing is your mindset. Your mindset must be such where you think, and repeatedly, not if every day, but repeatedly or periodically, you keep on revising yourself that okay, this can happen or that can happen, but not in a negative way, but in a way that that keeps you grounded in reality. Because that's hard to say, but like when we are in some good memories or good incidents, everybody in the good life, so we forget about everything, we don't remember. But the thing is that we should keep on watching on this kind of content that really helps us, that makes us prepare mentally for any kind of incidents.
Right.
So I think, yeah, that's what
I
I
want to add,
want to
yes, yes. I want to add one more thing also, ma'am. Actually, people are thinking why this thing happened with me when something has some incident happen. But we don't think of that kind of situation. Why people are thinking like why it's me? Why like they are not thinking about to solve the problem. What kind of situation we have to find it out the way how to solve the problem and how to overcome from that situation. So they are not thinking of that, they just think why it's me, something incident happened with us also, right? So where we are living in our life, so everyone knows that any incident happened with us also. We don't know what incident happened with us, but people are always thinking why it's me, why God has chosen me. But there is some reason behind of that. But when there is the reason, that's why they choose God has chose me. So God has chose me, so we have a capability, we have to think of that how to overcome that kind of situation. We don't think about that why it's me, why we are God has given that kind of situation because I'm not okay with that, I'm not capable with that, and people are thinking of that. We have to think how to overcome it and that kind of situation. So definitely if you think to find it out the answer, definitely you will come out from that. If you are not thinking, that you are not coming out from that kind of situation.
absolutely. And adding to your point, you are absolutely right. Most of the people generally they think why this is happening with me. Rather, we should be asking how can I get over this. The very same question in your mind will literally make you think of in a different direction and a solution oriented direction way. So all we need is to keep on changing our mindset to develop those kind of habits where we need to ask what question. So generally we ask a question, but we ask a wrong question. So rather we can say that we should be
Yes.
asking right question so that our mind can get into that direction. This is how I think we work.
Yes. So ma'am, do you have any questions?
Okay. I have a question like, do you remember any incident where you initially get panic and then you handle that situation better in an unexpected way? And how was your overall experience in that situation? If you could remember and tell it would be great for our
Yeah,
viewers.
yeah, definitely. Actually, when my kid, my elder kid was very small. That time he got, I think, some kind of disease. It's not a disease. Something is happening. So that time I was very shocking. How is it? Why it's me? Like why my kid is suffering that kind of situation. So that time I was thinking, okay, how to overcome it. But yeah, but it's depend on our mindset set, how we are overcome that kind of situation, how we think in a positive way. So we have to think in positive way, then you can easily come out in that kind of situation. When you are thinking negative, like it's thing is happening and we are worrying about that. In one incident also happened, like when I was expecting the baby, that time my kids got the, like I got I'm expecting the baby, but baby's heartbeat is not coming. So that time I used to always thinking why it's happening with me. So like, but something is reason behind of that. Like when we went to the doctor, so doctor said to me like that thing is happened with you because something is good for you, because that child is like whatever the child in your womb, so that is not good, because maybe this that child will not be like good able to walk, or like anything, any kind of disability will be happening. So that is why it's thing is happen, but we think about in a negative way. So like we can't come overthink of this situation. So we have to make our mindset set in a positive way. If we make our, so like doctor said to me that time, I think okay, this is also the positive thing. If we are giving any birth of the baby, so like that is not, that is they have a disability. So how, like so how will we survive, how will our kid will be survive? So we can't suffer that kind of situation. So that is why this is the something is good like something is good surrounding the bed things. Because like what I'm not getting a proper idiom is that like I also forget it. So something is the good thing surrounding the bed. So we have to think of that, how to come, and we have to take up make a your mindset. What is the mindset? So like doctor said to me that time, I understand okay, that is good for me and for the children also, for the child also. So that is why that situation happened with me. But if I think, look, okay, why it's happening with me again and again, why my like whenever I'm expecting baby, so like my child not getting the birth heartbeat, so why it's happening? So that time, like a doctor suggested to me, that time I understand okay, that is good for me, for the child also. Because if I think in a negative way, like why it's happened with me, so we are not overcome from that kind of situation. So that is why we have to make a mindset in a positive way, so that you can get out in any kind of negative things. Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So what you did basically that time, you keep yourself calm. Generally, what happens when we are into panic mode, we lost our mind. We are not able to think from the center, or our thinking gets completely changed. You're absolutely right. I have been into those kind of situation many a times. I don't want to mention here, but I can say that I have developed a little bit of the habit of calmness, and that really effective. That is really effective, and I have measured the importance of it as well. So since when I have got aware about the importance of calmness, I have always tried to keep myself calm, because we know that we should first of all accept that this is our situation, this is it. Now we need to think like how to get out of it, or how to do it better, like that. But that is next step. First of all, we need to learn to accept it, that it
Right.
happens.
And one more thing also, when because time has been changed, we can't predict the time, right? Because we have to
Hmm.
accept all the time. So whatever the situation, like before that I was working, now I'm not working. If I'm not accepting the time, so how will I overcome that, and how will I grow? Because when we think okay, earlier I was working, now I'm not doing anything. So if I, because time has been changed according to the age and situation. Like I have two kids. So it's not possible to do anything to go outside. So we have to find it out the ways. If I'm finding, definitely I will overcome that kind of situation. If I'm not finding the ways how to do new things,
Right.
so how will you overcome? So for that, because changing is the part of our life, can say, because everything will be changed according to the time, according to the age. So we have to accept all the things. That way you will overcome, and you have to find it out the ways how to overcome it. If you are not finding, it means you are losing your life and you are hopeless. You will be become a hopeless. You can't be positive in your life. For become a positive, you have to working out to different things. Definitely you will overcome, and you can see to surrounding people how they are overcome that kind of situation, how they are handling their situation. You can learn from the earlier people, like who has coming that kind of challenge, who are go through this kind of challenges. So we can learn from that also. So definitely you can also overcome that kind of situation.
Definitely agreed to your point.
Yes, ma'am. So I think
So
yeah, yeah,
yeah,
go ahead.
how would you sum up this? Yeah,
How
I'm also thinking to sum up. How
someone,
would we sum up this? Yeah.
I think some of this topic, any kind of situation come, so you have to be find it out the base, and you have to be calm, keep calm, stay calm, and you have to don't panic any kind of situation. When you panic, it means you are losing your hope, and you are not thinking about the right way. You just thinking about the negative way, and you have to be financial stability is also must. So you have to be make your financial in a like before any kind of situation happening. So first you have to be prepared your financial, like you have to put some money for any expenses, like for the saving purpose. That will be help for any kind of difficult situation. And you have to be stay healthy, because when you are healthy, so healthy body have a healthy mindset. So that is why you should be healthy, and you automatically your mind will be healthy for that. And you know all the
Sure.
basic, you have some skills also. If you have a skills, so you can do anything, because without skills you can't do anything, any kind of situation. So that is why you have to be prepared. Any kind of skills do you have? 100%, because without skills sorry, without skills you can't do anything. So that is why everyone should have at least 2 or 3 skills. That way they can do anything in their life if any difficult situation has come in their life. Yes, ma'am.
Absolutely. Right. And few of them could be like, communicating with people, because I have seen, Miss Priti, I have seen many people who actually are into problem, but they are not able to share their problem with others. Okay, that's it. We cannot share our problems with anybody. I mean,
Yes.
with anybody up. But we can approach the right people. The right people is always there. So we should understand like whom to share, and that's also the thing. But sharing sometimes it really helps. So yeah, we should do it in a rightful manner.
Right, right. Because when we are sharing, it means we are getting some moral support. But we have to find it out the right person who have to share. But sometimes when we are sharing to someone else and they are not understanding what I want to say, and they are not overcome, they are just some kind of illusion, some kind of they just say like you get that kind of situation. So we can't share to everyone. We have to share our thoughts who are loving one, and who don't share your thoughts from others also. Sorry.
Take your time.
Yeah. So that way, like you can overcome that kind of situation. Everyone has a different situation, different way, because it's a life. Life is full of the challenges. So how can you say that like there is no change? So we have to be find it out the ways to changing the situation. Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Or,
So I think we have covered up all most of the topic that we wanted to discuss.
yes.
So Miss Preeti, it was a great conversation, and we can end up this conversation here. What do you
Yes,
say?
ma'am. Thank you so much for having me, and it's a great conversation. It's a meaningful conversation, because it really helpful to others when they are facing the changes in their life. So they will also think of the positive mindset. Thank you so much.
Definitely.
Thank you so much, ma'am, having me. Thank you.
Thank you for talking to you.
Okay.